I absolutely love my Model X Plaid, but there is one thing that I hate. Tesla only produced this car as a 6-seater. And because I always love to go on road trips and sleep inside the car, I cannot really do that here. I mean, I can fold down the third row, but the second row doesn't fold down. It only moves forward. However, there might be a solution. This company called DreamCase has released the first and only product on the market that allows you to sleep inside the 6-seater Model X. So I'm excited to try this, especially because DreamCase apparently was inspired to create this mattress after they have seen my video where I built something myself so I can sleep inside. But now, let's try to find a camp spot. This is where we will stay tonight, underneath this windmill. Look at this, that's just so cool, wow! Let's set up the bed. Before I show you what's in the case, let's move the seats forward. And actually, we're gonna move those seats forward first. I mean, yes, you're right, if I move those forward, this seat moves forward as well. However, look at this. This one is all the way forward, and now it moves further forward. So that's why I always move the front seat forward first. For the driver's seats, I actually even have a driver's profile here called Bedtime, which moves the seat forward. And now let me show you from this side, because when we have this seat all the way forward, this one actually moves further up. Just a little bit, but you want to have as much room back here as possible. This will be the part that I'm the most curious about, because the mattress will go through this gap here, but will it also be strong enough here for the legs? Let's find out. So this case is about 14 kilograms. I don't think it's an issue because often you just have it in your garage, like on the side, and you just lift it in. And then it just sits in your car. And then when you need to set it up, you just set it up. So the weight is not really a problem. But yeah, let me show you what's inside. So the cool thing about DreamCase is that usually this case is also used to level out the car. However, in the Model X, you don't need that because the seats fold down flat already. So therefore, I actually don't know yet what I will do with the case. Probably just put it underneath the mattress. But yeah, what's inside? This is the most important part, but first I want to show you this. So there are 3 parts. It's this memory foam mattress. It's quite soft. It's actually nice. So those 2 parts, they are soft, and here there's a plate. So I assume that this will be the one who's in the gap. And underneath here we have the legs, we have another leg, we even have a topper that comes with it that fits quite nice in between here. And then those are the suspension bars. And then of course this piece right here with this funny shape, that's the one who goes in between the captain chairs. And this one also has a plate inside, and here these are magnets, and this leg actually goes on here. Oh yeah, of course, how can I almost forget that? You use the suspension bars underneath the mattress and then you put the case on top of it, so it adds extra comfort. Same thing your bed at home has, this wooden frame underneath the mattress. What is it called in English? Lattenrost in German. So basically this is your Lattenrost. Okay, so I first put the mattress and the topper away. I usually put them on the roof because that's the cleanest place. I don't really want to put them on the ground. And now we start with the Lattenrost. Okay, so we have Velcro here, and those suspension bars also have Velcros. We attached it here. Here's the other one. And they are already attached. Now we flip it. Oh, a little trick, because that can be very annoying. Go away, leave me alone. Yeah, this thing can sometimes stick on here and you don't want that. So that's why I just put them like this. Same on this side. And then we don't have that problem. Now I just align it properly. Now it's ready for the mattress. Okay, now we take those 3 parts, and the part with the plate in it, that goes to the front. Because here you can also see this zipper and the Velcro down here, because this is where we will attach this extra piece that goes in between. But first, let's attach the legs here. So we have this piece, and there's also Velcro up here. So basically this just goes like this, and now we got legs. Technically for kids, that would already do it. However, if you're 6'4" or 1'92", then you don't fit. That's why we got this piece here, which makes the DreamCase unique, because no other brand offers that. So basically this DreamCase 6-seater kit is the only option you have to sleep in your Model X. And what's actually funny is DreamCase told me that they were inspired by watching my video when I slept in my car. Back then I also used those 3 parts from the DreamCase. However, for this section here, I actually took 2 selfie sticks and put them across here, and I had a tape over this part, so it's actually strong enough so I could then put another piece of foam on top of it. But yeah, DreamCase solved it a little different, because they were like, they don't really want to have sticks around this screen here because they are scared that people don't scratch it. So therefore we have another leg here. But first, let's attach this special piece. Wow, look at this. The sun is about to set. And I didn't have dinner yet, so let's cook something. My camping cooker. We're gonna cook some good old instant noodles. This is always the thing when you're filming, you kind of forget your basic needs. You forget to drink water and all of this. Until the water is boiling, let's finish the bed setup. So to zip this, I think it's the easiest to put the piece in between here already, and then put it roughly on the same height and zip it. So this is already squeezed in. However, of course, there's no support underneath yet. Therefore, we have another leg. And I showed you that earlier. There are magnets here. So as underneath here, if you can see that, and those magnets just go like this. And that's it. I mean, honestly, it doesn't look that promising yet, but let's lay on it, and then we know if that's actually strong enough for your legs. Oh, water is cooking. Yeah, it's hot enough. Oh, that's gonna be a nice dinner with sunset. Okay. Nice, just in time for sunset. No worries, I will lay on it later as well. Just let me eat first. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how stable that thing is. Oh wait, 1 second, I forgot something. We also have this topper, and the topper also has this funny shape. Now it's complete. Well, luckily feet are not that heavy as the upper body, even though down there it's just like it doesn't look that sturdy. It's actually okay. It kind of comes as a surprise. I definitely thought that it's not strong enough, but now having the legs here, it's not that it would fall down. I mean, it's definitely comfortable, especially up here. You can also feel that there is a other layer down here, which is the case with those suspension bars that make it even softer. And the memory foam is also very soft. That's good. And for the legs, yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, there is not a lot of space, but of course it's a 6-seater. By the way, if you have seen my videos, I usually have this seat removed, so I can then put my feet here diagonally and also sleep with my girlfriend in here, because like this, and another person, I don't think it would be comfortable. Look at how beautiful the sky gets now. So I think I rather enjoy that vibe here a little bit. Wow, look at this. And then later I'll see you inside. All right, yeah, wow, look at this. Well, this light went on, but I guess it's a sensor, so it will hopefully turn off later. Yeah, let's go inside. So you definitely got to be a little bit more careful here, since this part right here is not very strong, because in my setup I have this proper wooden board underneath, so obviously that's super strong. But here we just need to slide back here. So here's the thing, usually when you sleep in cars in the Model Y or Model 3 or even Model S, you have the head up there where the screen is as well. And like this, it's much easier to control the camp mode and all of this. But now I'm back here, because having the head here, that definitely wouldn't work. Luckily, we got the Tesla app and we can control the car or just the camp mode via app. So I will do that. It's actually already super sweaty in here, so I'm glad that I have the camp mode tonight. And it's funny because usually I sleep up on a mountain pass, and I use the camp mode to heat the car to keep me warm, but tonight I actually use the camp mode to cool down the inside. I mean, I would definitely do it on the phone, but for this video I want to show you in the front how to activate camp mode. We have it on the side here. Camp mode. The cool thing with that is that it will keep the temperature throughout the entire night, and it also disables the car alarm, so you don't need to worry that in the middle of the night the alarm goes off. And I usually set it to 19 degrees. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm sweating and I'm super happy that I have the camp mode for tonight. Yeah, look at how awkward I sit here. But yeah, I said that I would do that on the phone. I can control the camp mode on the phone as well. Then I don't need to come to the front here. So let's climb back. So yeah, I see you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. How did I sleep? Well, let's open the trunk first. Wow. Okay, it's actually already hot outside. It's cooler in the car because of the camp mode. But yeah, overall, I did sleep okay. The thing with, let me show you. So the thing here in the middle, the space didn't bother me too much. That was okay, that was enough space. However, in the middle, this is definitely not as stable as it should be. In the middle of the night, it kind of broke down once, and then I had to get up and fix it here. And because of that, for the rest of the night, I didn't really trust that. So I was always kind of careful to put my legs on it. However, when I put my legs on it, it was totally fine. I mean, let me show you. So I can really like hit this, and now it fell down. So I really wish DreamCase would improve that, because I think the issue is that this is just a magnet. So that's why it's easily coming off. I mean, like this, it's fine. Also, if you just put your legs on it, it holds enough weight. However, if you turn around a lot of times at night and you put your weight on your feet, then this can come off. And when it comes off, this will just lay on the ground. So that's why even if you put it back up, you actually need to put this back on, and then it's okay. So I think the easiest solution would be that if this is Velcro, it would stick on it. So even if it falls down like that, because it's Velcro, it would still stick on it like that. And then you just put it back up and like this, and it's flat again. But other than that, it actually worked better than I expected, and I slept in my Model X with 6 seats. Then also YouTube thinks you like one of those 2 videos, so either keep watching something or go on a road trip, on a car camping trip yourself, because now you know that even if you have a Model X with 6 seats, you can also sleep inside. I'll see you next Thursday. Bye bye.